Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having low monthly fuel costs and a good deal. Features also include keyless ignition, iPod adapter, hill assist system, blind spot monitor, USB audio interface, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Take a ride in the 2017 Jetta. The Jetta is a premium car that is family-friendly with a great price, agile and confident handling. Volkswagen Jetta, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, backup camera, alloy wheels, AM/FM stereo with CD player, cruise control, child safety locks, power brakes, trip odometer, trip computer. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
Every certified pre-owned Volkswagen comes with a limited warranty, 24-hour roadside assistance, and peace of mind knowing that it passed a comprehensive inspection. That's 3 major reasons to go out and buy yourself a certified pre-owned Volkswagen. See your dealer for details.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.